Hello, Billy the Artist here. Just a little thank you vlog. Now, again, you can see I've got these how to draw videos of Ariana Grande and Billie Eilish and lots of others, but this is a big thank you because I have just passed at the end of April, at the very beginning of May the 1st, 2020, I've passed 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you to you all. It's been an absolute joy and a pleasure to encourage you with your drawing, and it's just been great to do it in this time when everyone's now stuck at home. And it's just great to encourage you. But in this last month, I've just been able, because of being stuck at home and I can't do the oil paintings that I normally do. Check out the time-lapse videos of the oil paintings of the motorcycles that I do. I've been able to concentrate on doing these how to draw videos for everybody, which has just been fantastic. And in the last month, I've done 15 videos of various levels, up to and including Billie Eilish and Ariana Grande. Again, check out how to draw portraits, link in the cards. It's just been great to do and encourage people. But we started off the month with the situation that we have worldwide and in the UK with how to draw a toilet roll. And it's just one of those things that it was just so much fun to do. Again, it's in the how to draw playlist. Check that out. There's over 120 actual lessons in the how to draw playlist, and that's growing and developing. But this is what kind of started it. And the reason I did this is it's just using the same techniques as in these portraits, but just using the simple techniques to show you can draw anything. You're stuck at home, you could even draw a toilet roll. But we also did the virus, the thing that's caused us all the problems, why we're all in the situation that we're in now. And again, dead simple techniques. This was how to draw a zombie from Plants vs Zombies using a zombie pencil. And that pencil was no name, no brand, no idea what grade it was, and we did the whole thing rather than using professional pencils to draw that, to show you even with simple equipment you can actually produce good art and develop your drawing skills. So they were the first ones that I actually did in April to actually get people going and drawing. And then we also started to do, if I can carefully bring them over, I have lots of people who love me doing the Harry Potter stuff. Now, the Harry Potter lesson has gone very, very well. That's still helping lots of people to draw and developing their drawings. But I did 5 Harry Potter characters. So the last one I did was the sorting hat on top of Harry Potter's head. That was an interesting one to do. We have the Dark Lord himself. We have Snape and we have Draco Malfoy. Now, this one was fantastic. It was so much fun to actually do with the dark background behind and the hands. Now, people might think that this is very, very complex, but again, check out How to Draw Anything Part 1. Link in the cards and in the description. It's the basics. It shows you how you can use simple shapes to draw anything. And I say in that video, from a bird, a bee, a flea, a tree, a horse, a house, or anything else. Even this complex shape of the hands in various strange guises with the wand and all the darkness and his no hair, bald head. Dead simple shapes using simple techniques to develop your drawing skills. So like I say, we did the Dark Lord, and we also did Sir Richard Harris as Albus Dumbledore from the first film. Now again, we've done all of these to help and encourage people, and there are over 30, I think there's over 30 videos now on the Harry Potter playlist, and I will be adding one Harry Potter video lesson every week for the next few weeks and months. That's the goal, because people want Hagrid, they want Professor McGonagall, they want Bellatrix, they want so many of the characters, and I've got to do them, and there's so many of them to do, and again, they will be coming one a week, because I've also got other things. People are asking for Game of Thrones, for Star Wars, for Avengers, for lots and lots of different characters, and I'm loving doing these drawings and encouraging you. But this was one that was just personal for me. In the UK, we have SAS Who Dares Wins, and there's a similar program in America with the Special Forces. But I did do the 5 directing staff, the DS, and we got Ant Middleton, Jay Morton. And underneath those guys, we've got the other three. We have Jason Carl Fox, we have Ollie Ollerton, and we have Billy Bingham. Now, I had a blast doing these, just so much fun. So we've got the full head portraits, and then we've got a half body portrait with arms folded and tattoos. Again, people think it's very complex, but I use these 2cm grids. Again, check out the link in the cards and in the description. There is a video, only about 26 minutes long, that shows me laying the various grids down that I then show you how to build your techniques up. And eventually you don't need to use the grids because you will have developed your skills and you can draw from life. But again, this is just basics, helping you all to draw fantastically well. And I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'm going to carry on doing lots more videos to encourage you guys and girls in all of your drawing. Now, the next video that's going to go live is another rocker and singer and a half, and we've got Queen Barb from Trolls World Tour movie. Again, very simple shapes, all in real time, all fully narrated. Now, enjoy it, share it. Please do like and subscribe. Tick the bell to be notified when new videos. There will be lots of different subjects. I'm going to be doing all kinds of things, more than just these with the trusty 2B pencil. I'm going to be doing some more. In fact, I've missed one. Aha, ooh, where's he gone? I don't know. I did Joe Wicks as Spider-Man. Hang on a second. Oh, dash to the back of the studio. And where's he gone? I have no idea. It has. Yes, that's completely disappeared. Anyway, I am back. I went to the back of the studio. I don't know where he's gone. He could be down here. No. Yep, sorry about that. I don't know where he's gone. He's lurking somewhere in a pile, somewhere in my studio. But I did Joe Wicks as well. And I'm going to be doing more pen and felt tip stuff and some pencil crayon stuff. But I use cheap felt tips and cheap pencil crayons because that's what people have access to. Now again, I just want to encourage you with your drawing, and it's been so fantastic because people have been using the hashtag drawing with Billy, but also tagging me on Instagram and my social media and on Twitter. And so to close, I want to share with you guys. Oh, and before you do close, yes, there are the time lapses. When I do these, so these lessons, the Ariana Grande was over 4 hours. These are like 3 hours, 2.5 hours, some of the other portraits. I do them in real time and I narrate them as I go. So I'm describing exactly what I'm doing as I'm developing the drawing, and you see it in real time. Now, I then condense these into very short time-lapse videos. So do check them out so you can see an overview of the entire drawing condensed in a few minutes, and they're just really good to get an overview of what you're going to see in the lesson. And do enjoy and share them out and encourage others to enjoy their drawing. But what I'm going to do is at the end of this video, I am going to put in a little slideshow together of people who have shared their drawings with me on social media, and there'll be just a little bit of music playing out to the end. But that will be just so much good fun because you'll actually see people of all ages having a go, developing the drawing. And it's just such a joy because people have asked me and said, oh, well, you know, is this any good? Am I any good? How am I developing? I've been drawing and I am still learning and practicing now for over 40 years. Just enjoy the process of drawing. You will develop your skills the more that you do. That is the secret. It's just do another drawing, do another drawing. Enjoy all of your drawing and have a lot of fun. But again, I just want to say thank you for getting past 30,000 subscribers. I'm enjoying going up down towards 40,000. That will be fantastic, helping more and more people learning to draw. But anyway, enjoy the drawings of people who've used my videos and share them out and enjoy your own drawing, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, take care.